Confusion at first as pro-Palestinian protesters digest the news that while the International Court of Justice agrees with South Africa that Israel is plausibly committing genocide in Gaza, judges aren't going to call for a ceasefire. Instead, the highest court in the world has imposed different preliminary measures on Israel while judges consider the broader case.
Israel must, in accordance with its obligations under the Genocide Convention, in relation to Palestinians in Gaza, take all measures within its power to prevent the commission of all acts within the scope of Article 2.
That means Israel must do more to allow humanitarian aid into Gaza. It must prevent genocidal rhetoric and punish those who have already engaged in it, prevent any potential evidence of genocide from being destroyed, and report to the ICJ on all the actions it's taking. This to prevent what South African prosecutors called further severe and irreparable harm to the rights of Palestinian people under the Genocide Convention. The court also called for the immediate and unconditional release of hostages held by Hamas militants in Gaza. The preliminary measures are all legally binding, but that doesn't mean they can be enforced if parties don't abide by them. Should that happen, the next step would be to seek intervention at the United Nations Security Council. But in the meantime, the case continues here at the ICJ, potentially for years, while the court analyses the evidence. Judges believe they've made it clear to Israel where the line is when it comes to its military operation. Whether that changes anything for Gazans is a different matter. Stuart Smith, CGTN, The Hague.